Hello students, today I will teach you binary arithmetic. So let's start the topic binary arithmetic. So in binary arithmetic there are four operations, that is binary addition, binary subtraction, binary multiplication and binary division. So today I will teach you the two topic of binary arithmetic, that is binary addition and binary subtraction. So let's start with the topic binary addition. So in binary addition we have to follow some rules, and the rules are listed here. That is, the first rule is 0 plus 0 is equal to 0, 0 plus 1 is equal to 1, 1 plus 0 is equal to 1, and 1 plus 1 will be 0, and there is a carry of 1, and this carry we have to add with the digits of the next column. So let's start binary addition by solving a problem. So our first problem is 101 and we have to add with it 010. So let's start. First I will write these two numbers 101 and 010 as we write in the normal addition. So 1 plus 0 is equal to 1, 0 plus 1 is equal to 1, and again 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. So this is a normal addition. So the final result will be 101 plus 010 is equal to 111. So this is your final addition of this binary addition. So our next example is 1111 plus 1111. So again we will write the number as the normal addition. Now the first column is 1 plus 1. So here I have written the rule that 1 plus 1 will be 0 and there will be a carry. As I said that the carry which we have to add with the digits of the next column. The next column is 1 1. So here the carry we have to write. So again 1 plus 1 is equal to 0. 1 plus 1 is equal to 0 and there will be a carry, and there is another one which we have to add. So 0 plus 1 will be 1 and 1. So the result is 1 1. So the right one we have to write here and the left one we have to add with the next column. So here is also 111 like the previous one. So the result will be 1 1. So as I have said that the right one will be written as the result and the left one will be written as the carry. So here will be also 111. So 1 and the carry 1. So this is my final result of this binary addition. So this is the final result of the binary addition using the rules of binary addition. So our next topic is binary subtraction. Here also we have to follow some rules, and the rules are 0 minus 0 will be 0, 1 minus 0 will be 1, 1 minus 1 will be 0, and 0 minus 1 will be 1, and in the case of binary subtraction there will be a borrow of 1. So let's start the subtraction. So first example is 1 1 0 0 and the second number is 1 1 1. So the first column is 0 minus 1. So 0 minus 1 will be 1 and there is a borrow of 1. So in this case we don't have to add this borrow with the next column because this is a subtraction. So in this case, as we have taken a borrow of the next column, so we have to cut the 0 of the next column and we have to write 1, that is the opposite of 0, and we have to continue the cutting of the digits of the next column until we get a 1, and on the next column we get a 1. So here we will cut the 1 and we will write instead of 1 the opposite of 1, that is 0. And now we don't have to cut again because in this column we already have get a 1. So here we can stop the cutting. So now we have to subtract this one to this one. So 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. Again this is completed. Moving to this column, again we have 0 minus 1, again we have 0 minus 1, 1, and we have borrow, and then we will cut 1 and we write here instead of 1 0, and we don't have any number left because, and we don't have to, because in the next column we get a 1 and we already cut a 1 and I have written a 0, and here we can stop the cutting of the numbers. So 0 minus, there is nothing, so 0 minus nothing will be 0. So this is my final answer, and we can write 1100 minus 111 is equal to 0101. This is my final answer. So my next example is 101 001 and 11110, 11110. So let's start. 1 minus 0 will be 1. Here 0 minus 1 will be 1, and we will cut the 0 and we will write 1 instead of 0, and here we will cut the 1 and we will write 0. Now in this case we have to stop the cutting the numbers because we get a 1 and we have already written a 0 by cutting the 1. So now we have to subtract as following the rules of the binary subtraction. 1 minus 1 will be 0, and again we have 0 minus 1, there will be 1, and we have to cut 0 by 1 and 0, and again we have to stop the cutting because we got a 1. We have already wrote 0 by cutting the 1. So 1 minus 1 will be 0 and 0. So this is my final answer of this subtraction. 0 0 1 0 1 1. So this is the rule of subtraction. When we subtract 1 from 0, we have to written 1 as a result. We have to cut the next digit, and by cutting the digits we have to write the opposite of that digit as we have done in the example, and we have to stop the cutting digits of the next column till we got a 1. So this is all about the binary addition and binary subtraction. Thank you students for today. This is it, and in the next video I will show you how to do binary multiplication and binary division. Till then, keep watching my video and keep practicing. Thank you.